Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I am getting to you guys another makeup haul from Tjmaxx. There's so much stuff in Tjmaxx right now. I've picked up some more stuff I'm going to show you guys, and so let me start with it. First one I'm going to show you guys is the lipstick that I'm wearing, which from MAC. I love the persistence, and taupe also is like, okay, it'll go with my skin tone. But Whirl, I'd got it once and then I returned it because it doesn't go very well with my skin tone. But I found it on sale at Tjmaxx, so I picked it up. So it was $7.99, and that is what I'm wearing on my lips today. I know a lot of people love this because this is kind of that Kylie Jenner look. But it doesn't go that well with my skin tone, but it's fine. I can make it work. I'm going to cover it with this color. It's not looking that bad. I don't know why I didn't like it before. It's not that bad. Okay, so that's the Whirl, which I guess everybody knows how this, and this is one of the lipstick formulas I love from MAC, the matte lipsticks. I love that. Second is this Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and I've already done a review on this also for you guys. It's the Bare Pro, Bare Minerals Bare Pro Longwear lipsticks, and I found another color. I think I have two, I think. Saffron and some other color, I forgot. A darker color, and then this one, Dunia. So this is beautiful, like a pinky color. It's a very nice color. So see that, Petunia, looks so nice on my skin tone. This is like my kind of color. Even though I see that it's perfectly fine, like you can make out from seeing the tip, right, that it's perfectly fine. But what I do usually most of the time is, unless they have like a full pack on the outside, I open them like that and then spray alcohol over them and then keep it for a while. So that way, like, just to be on the safer side. Even though they're in a pack, I do that. So that is Petunia. Next one here is, I found this high pigment Longwear eyeliner from Nars, and I found two actually, different colors. This one, and each was $5.99. And this one is one is black and one is brown. I think one is Park Avenue. And I did try them on, and they do stay on the eyes, like they don't like go away. So one is Park Avenue, one is, I don't know if I've mixed them up, and one is what is this called, Mambo. I don't know which is the brown one. I don't know if I mixed it, but one is black and one is brown. So they are really long wearing. Like, once you put them on, I tried it the other day, see that it doesn't rub off easily. They sit really nice, so I like that. There. So that's the black one, and that's Park Avenue. I think it is. If it is interchanged, I'm sorry, because I was trying them on. I don't know if I put them in the correct box. The other one is called Mambo, and I think it's a little brown. Yeah, it is kind of a brown color, not completely brown. It has some redness to it, like a burgundy color, and I don't know if it is hard to sharpen this, but see that kind of like a burgundy color. It's dark color, so it doesn't move at all. Maybe I should try using it as a lip liner. That might be good, because it's also kind of like that waxy feel. It has that waxy feel. Nars, another Nars. This one. This I'm not sure if I'm going to, I might return this, I don't know. But that's why I'm not touching it inside. But this one was $14.99, kind of high price. And it's not even my color, but the reason I got it was because it is light reflecting setting powder, pressed powder. And it is in the color Sunstone. It's in the color Sunstone. And the reason I got this was because I was thinking if I could use this as for like contouring, as a bronzer, right? Because most of the ones that I have tried or I have are not like that, like nice proper brown color on my skin tone. They are not. They kind of make me look ashy. So I thought, let me try this, because this one is, and I also saw the reviews on it that this product does not have that good reviews as a powder, because it's very pressed down. So people say that it's very hard to get it on the brush to put it. Maybe that's the reason that this comes with like a sponge like this. Not sponge, what is this called? Whatever this is called. It comes with this, so you can use, and then it has this cover over it here. And I haven't touched it, but it seems like a very nice color for me. I can use as a bronzer, but because it's like that brown, which probably won't make me look dirty, I'm hoping. And since it's not like very pigmented, I'm thinking that will it work when I take it in the brush and try to put it, maybe it will work as a bronzer well, because it won't pick up too much, right? It'll pick up lightly. So I'm thinking that's why I got it, but I'm going to see some more reviews and then decide whether to keep it or not, whether I can use it as a bronzer or not. So this one is the Nars, because it's like a high, quality brand. I thought, okay, I can try this. So so that's it. That's that one. That was $14.99. Oh, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. This was again $5.99. And this is the Nars Pencil. This is the velvet matte one. And I have two reds already, like Cruella and Dragon Girl. And then I have some satin, I think 1 or 2 satin. And then I have Dolce Vita also, yeah. This is so pretty. This is like the orange that I love. It's called Red Square, but it's very orange on me. It's just like a nice bright orange. It has some pink in it when I swatch here, but on my lips it looks very orange. Even there you're seeing, like on the screen it shows red, but when I wear it on the lips it's more orange. Orange tone shows up more. So that is Red Square from Nars. Found this one. This had like plastic over it fully, so it was all sealed. So that's the reason I got this. This is the Sephora Bra Gel, and I've never used a bra gel, so I wanted to try once, because sometimes my eyebrows, like I have like long hair and I try to trim it, but sometimes I want to make it sit a little straighter, but they don't sit. They all sleep like that. So I thought maybe this will help. I don't know. Today I tried it on, but I think I should have done this, and I don't know how to use it actually. I don't know if you have to use it like before, like to prep the brow and then put the color over it, or we have to use this after. I used it after, and like after I put the filled in my eyebrows and all, then I tried to do that with this. So I don't know if that's what you have to do, but that is what this is, and this is the clear one, so that's why I got it. I think that it looks a little dark because I put it over the color, so the color went over that a little bit. But this is a clear gel one, so that's why I got it. I wanted to give it a try. Revolution Foil Frenzy Fusion eyeshadow. Don't ask me why I got eyeshadow, because I have so many. I don't know why I keep getting them. I think I'm trying to sell some of my older ones also, but this one is the Revolution. This is all metallic ones in this, so I got it because usually I like to put the lighter color and then like to put like metallic all the time. I like the metallic colors. So this one is the Foil Frenzy Fusion, and it was $4.99, and look at that, all foil colors. And then the last one, guys, is what I have on my eyes today. And actually, I put just like one shade as base, like I didn't put that from this actually. I think I did this video after my Bite Beauty video. So I put the Bite Beauty, I think multi-stick. That's what I had on my eyes before, the brioche one. And over that, I just put this green color. I was dying to try this. So I'm not even, see this pack, the cover is not even been removed. And this is the Wet n Wild. Is it Wet n Wild? Yeah, Wet n Wild's Bretman Rock, the Jungle Rock. The Jungle Rock. And I think this is a collab palette with Bretman Rock. He's a YouTuber and a makeup artist, I guess. I have seen his videos. And it's a collab with him they have done, but I liked the selection of colors in this, and I got it really just for this green, because I don't have this green with me in any other palettes. So just for that green, it has yellow that I need, the golden, it has copper, it has green, pink, purple, it has the blue. So I feel like it's a nice combination. The cover is still on. What I did, I just moved the cover like that, and I just took this green and put this on my eyelid today. That's why you see, like, that's the only one that's washed. The rest are looking fine. So I think this is a pretty palette, right? And it's from Wet n Wild, so it's not going to be that expensive. I don't know how much it is. Even in the store, full price also might not be that much. Maybe it's in 10 or 15 range. But yeah, but I got it for $5.99, I think. I don't know where I removed that thing. So it was $5.99 or $6.99 something. So anyway, it looks beautiful. The cover is nice. There was also a Milani one. I was holding on to it, but I didn't get it. So it's all like sealed. It still has that seal and all that has not been removed. But it has beautiful shades in it. It has all kind of shades. So I love that. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for another haul. I actually have more Tjmaxx products to show you guys. I will show you that in a different video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.